checking out this Dragon Touch 15-inch digital photo frame, touchscreen, Wi-Fi enabled. It's really cool. One of the neatest things about this thing is hooking it up to your phone and being able to move photos over on the go. I went and just threw some photos that I had on an SD card in it real quick just to test it out. But it has a lot of neat features in it. You can play videos on it. It's got an alarm feature. Like I said, it is touchscreen, so you can come in here and change all the settings and whatnot, and slideshow settings. It has background music. It really has a lot of cool features for a digital photo frame. It holds up to 32 gig SD card. Pretty cool stuff here. But yeah, on the back of it here, let me show you. Let me turn it around real quick. I have it set up on the little stand that it came with right now, but it also has on the back here a spot for a wall mount that it came with. And if you want to hang it on the wall, you can do that. But you got to keep in mind the power does need to be hooked up to it. So if you're going to hang it on the wall, you got to keep that in mind. It also comes with a remote. It came with a USB cord to hook up to your computer or whatever you want to do to transfer photos over. And it's really neat. It tells you the weather, the time. It's got this cool alarm setting. And the screen is really nice and bright and clear. And a lot of cool features for this very affordable digital picture frame that's touchscreen. So if you guys like it, you want to take a look at it, there's more information in the description box with the link to this item. So go check it out, let me know what you think, and we're out of here.